Last line of defense if Alien X gets past us.
Vivian! Show me what you got, me!
Chroma Stone, at your service!
Stone!
2 Omnitrixes for the price of 1. Your generosity will not go unappreciated, or unpunished.
He's mine.
Yours? I'm a... Kids. Blocks! How cool is that? Ooh, I want that alien in my rotation.
Chill! Come and get it, Sparkles.
Let it rip, family.
Yes.